Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to reset your Windows 11 without losing personal files. So the recovery matrix is as follows. You firstly need to open up your settings, the main settings. Ensure you are on the System tab, right here, which is the second one from the top. And then scroll down until you see Recovery. So just find it here. Recovery should be, there you go, this one. Click on here. Right, and under the recovery options card, I'll locate the item labeled reset this PC, okay, or just reset PC. Click on it. And this is going to be our most important choice in this video that you have to be very careful with. So as you can see, the first one is keep my files. So this is the one that you need to use. So as you can see, it will only remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. So whatever you've downloaded, installed, well, not really installed if it's an app is going to be removed, but everything you download that's not installed, right? For example, portable apps, games, photos, videos, all of that stuff will be kept. So none of that is deleted. This is exactly what you need. Press on this. Okay, if you don't have the recovery environment, it's easy to fix. So just type in restore in your start menu, click here. Then you just choose your system drive, then choose create, and just type in, for example, test123. And create. Okay, this will make sure to create your restore point. Okay, created successfully, okay. And then after that, this should be working just fine. So that's it. This is how you reset your PC easily without losing your data. Enjoy, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.